Hello everybody. So today I wanted to do some Christmas DIY ornaments. The majority of the things that you saw in that box was from the dollar store, Walmart, and the typical places I peruse for craft items. Now I needed something round, so I thought, why not go to the dollar store, check them out, found some children's toy balls, and I decided I would use those. They're foamy, so I tested them with some glue and paint to see if they would react. They didn't, so I went on from there. On the little poop ball that you see, I tried the confetti first, but I knew that I would have to do 2-3 layers of it to cover it, so I didn't want to go that route. So that's when I went and used the confetti, the tubular confetti that you saw that I got from the dollar store. So here is where the foil comes into play. If anyone else has seen the video where a guy takes aluminum foil, wraps it into this great shiny ball, I'm not going to achieve that great shiny ball, but I did want to try to make an ornament. So it ends up being a 2-inch ornament, you guys. So here it is. I'm going to try to condense this as much as possible. It took me in total about 25 minutes. To those who have not used leafing before, it is very light, like fairy dust, except for in sheet form. So you want to make sure if you're applying it with your fingers, have a very light touch and have very clean, dry fingers. They do have brushes that are very, very soft that you can use with leafing as well. They also do have adhesives that go along with leafing application. I have found that glue sticks work just fine for me. I also use a certain Mod Podge as well. Anyways, with that being said, it is worth it in the end. It's also fun in that even though you're overlapping, once you work that in and rub it in, it's also as if the lines just begin to disappear. Here are all my DIY ornaments. The blue glitter one with the snowflakes and the gems. And then we moved on to the copper leafing with the mesh and the green diamond wrap. Here we have the jute more of organic style with a little bit of the pearl flat beads. And then we have the tubular metallic confetti on this one. And then lastly, the glam ball that we did with the white feathers, the pearls, and the string gems as well. I do enjoy seeing comments. Nobody can be more critical than myself towards myself. I see what I am not, and I also see what I am. So I am encouraged with that to keep going forward and to get better with each video. That being said, you guys, please stay safe, stay healthy, and have a made-up mind to stay blessed.